So I've been in this coffee shop where I've been goofing around with these guys here for about 2 hours. Okay, thank you. Just had lunch, which was tea and 2 of these cakes here for just about $1 US. Okay, bye-bye. I'll be back. Okay, bye-bye. Everybody's very friendly. They seem to jump at a chance to talk to a foreigner. The girls are shy though. They don't want to talk to anybody. So we're going to go across this street. And go to this woman that's been, she's got a bunch of sparrows in a cage. She wanted me to buy one and then release it. So we're going to go back to her and see if we can liberate some of these birds. Nope, she's gone. The birds are here, but she's gone. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to look for 42 Strand Street, which is where the Union Pub is, where I'm going to meet the guys I'm going to work for. Union Bar and Grill, sorry. Union Bar and Grill. Hi. I need a cover.
What cover?
For a Nokia.
Oh, Nokia cover.
925.
Nokia 925 cover.
You don't have it? Do you sell cell phone numbers?
Cell phone number?
Yeah.
Oh, SIM card.
A SIM, yeah. Do you sell SIMs?
No.
I heard they were very expensive. Over $100 US?
US.
What's that, 10,000 chat?
In my chat.
Yeah, me and my chat. How much?
1 lakh. 1,25,000 chat. In my chat. SIM card.
How much?
1,25,000 chat. Myanmar.
125,000. That's a lot of money, huh? Okay, thank you. Oh, I got another question. Do you know where Strand Street is? Strand?
Strand Hotel.
No, Strand Street.
Strand is this way. This way, walk in 10 minutes.
Yeah, walk in 10. Okay, 10 minutes. Which way? Just straight?
This way. This way.
Away from this thing here? Okay, thank you. So, how much for one? 1,000 for one. You gonna let it go? You're gonna do it? Okay. No, you do it. I'm gonna pay 1,000 Chet to release a bird. Is it lucky? Okay. Yeah, take that. Whoops. And away she goes. Okay, thank you. I don't know if I'm going to be lucky, but I know that little guy is.